Samsung phone feature to turn on to protect your phone from theft. So if you stand a chance that your Samsung phone could be stolen at gunpoint, lost, or in a robbery, then you can turn on this Samsung feature to help you protect your Samsung Galaxy phone. So even if they take it away, you'll still be able to lock the device and take charge of your data, your contact, and all other sensitive information you have in your phone. So basically here, I'm going to reveal 4 different Samsung features you need to turn on to make sure your Samsung phone is safe, secure, when stolen or misplaced. So if you none of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on security and privacy, then scroll down the page, locate more security settings and click on it. Here, first, you want to turn on Android safe browsing. So if safe browsing is turned off in your own case, turn it on and scroll down, turn on live threat protection. What this does is it helps to protect any form of threat or attack online while surfing the net. And here are the supported applications you have that can use the live threat protection and Android safe browsing. Then go back, scroll down and click on theft protection. Now once you click on theft protection, scroll down to auto lock protection, click on theft detection lock, and then turn this on. What this does is if your Samsung phone senses that someone stolen your device and is on the run, then theft detection lock will lock your phone automatically. Then again, turn on offline device lock, then turn this on. What this does is if someone stolen your Samsung phone and the person immediately turn off the phone, then after a couple of seconds, offline device lock will be activated, and this will lock your Samsung phone. No one will be able to access it without the Samsung phone PIN pattern password or Face ID. Then, if you want to lock your Samsung phone remotely, if it's stolen, all you just need to do is come to remotely secure device and click on remote lock. Then here, make sure your remote lock is turned on. If remote lock is disabled, like this, then just click on this gray button to turn the remote lock on. Then hang on. This will allow your Samsung phone to turn on remote lock, and when next your Samsung phone is stolen or misplaced, you can just go to android.com/lock and then type any of the phone number you have on the Samsung Galaxy phone. So just go to android.com/lock, then select your country. So after that, paste one of the phone numbers or the phone number you have on your Samsung phone. Once pasted, scroll down, click on lock device. Then you'll be prompted to confirm that you're not a robot. So go ahead, confirm that you're not a robot. Go ahead and click on verify. Hang on. Then you should see the device locked instantly. You can remotely lock your Samsung phone wherever you are using this feature in your device. So these are the few features you need to turn on if you are new to Samsung and you want to protect the phone from theft. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.